Leach and we're in New York! It's exciting. It's like the only place I've ever wanted to visit and we're here! Great way to like sort of show about our bleeding disorder because many people don't know about it, and so that gives more awareness to them. It's really cool to be represented. Hello, my name is Turtle Leach, and today I am singing Perfect by Ed Sheeran. I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. It's actually gone very easily and we're going really fast with it, and so hopefully like we should be done earlier each day, and so then we have more time to communicate with our friends and talk with each other and stuff. I made a few friends.